This is how I convert all my VHS-C tapes or full-size tapes that I've had in storage, and this is just a simple way to convert any of your old videotapes. I'm using a VCR, and it's connected to a program called Ion Easy Video Converter. I am in no way a sponsor of Ion, but this is just what I use. This is not the only way. You can also just take any standard VCR, buy a converter on Amazon or eBay, and configure it to your computer and learn the software that way. But I'll show you how this works. 1 second. So we're going to put the tape in. Gonna stop it. This is just my process. We're going to rewind the tape. While that's rewinding, we're going to go back into our program, hit convert, and it's going to bring us to the screen. It's turning blue. That's saying that it is getting a signal from here. And let's give it a name. Well, I don't know what's on this yet, so let's see. Hopefully it's nothing too bad. Oh, look, it's some kind of homemade movie. Some kind of homemade stupid movie I made when I was little. Okay, cool. So, what we're going to do now is just hit, we're going to give it a title. So let's call it let's just call it Stupid Movie. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, we'll hit record. And if this is a video that you actually care about, you have to rewind, hit, and it gives you instructions right there. Click the record button and immediately press play button on your camcorder or VCR to start the unattended capture process. So this tape is kind of screwed up, but yeah. Most of my other tapes aren't this bad, but this one's pretty bad. Okay, so when you're ready to stop, you're just going to hit stop. It's going to ask you, do you really want to stop recording? Yes. So when that stops, we're going to go back to videos. Scroll down till we get to Stupid Movie. And see, it'll start playing down at the corner here. But you got several options on the side here. You got an edit button, you got a rename button, and you got a trash. So if you want to just delete it, you hit that. If you hit edit, you can actually go and it'll pull up another edit screen. And you can scroll through here and kind of choose which ones you want to cut out. You say it's right there, and then you want to cut all that out. You hit that. Oh, look, it just said that's cut. And if you want to cut a little bit more, come over here, hit that, cut that out as well. Then hit save. And the next time you play that video, those parts will be cut out. So I'm not going to keep this one because it's not how I really want to edit it, but I can just go ahead and delete that. Are you sure you want to delete the selected file? Yes. Okay. And in a nutshell, that is that's all I use. This is kind of dated software. I don't think you can even get what I have anymore. I'm sorry. I'm using a spare laptop that has Windows 8 on it, and I don't really care for Windows 8. But anyways, there's some other stuff on here like To Go. Back when, you know, iPods and PSPs were a hit, you could go here and it would convert it to a iPod format or a Sony PSP format. Haven't tried that out. I do have an old PSP, but yeah. Setup, this is where you can do all your setup for video, recording storage, display settings. You can do your aspect ratio, hardware acceleration, configure all that. Frame storage, not too sure what that is, never messed with that. Disk creation, if you want to put it on a disk, you can choose the TV system, NTSC, burn to DVD. See, it's just options for converting to a DVD. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to comment on the video. Let me know if you need any help. If you like to get this software, I can kind of give you places to find it. Because like I said, you can't really, I don't think you can buy this software anymore. I got this when it was brand new. I actually bought this VCR to PC from a store back in the day. It was called Hastings. It was kind of like a small bookstore, kind of like Barnes and Noble. But yeah, that store went out of business. But when it was going, I bought this brand new, and it came with the software, and that's kind of when I started using this. But lately I've been converting my whole collection of VHS-C, just family home videos that need to be converted, and then I got all these. So